BoxyCharm Premium. There's some spicy stuff in here. There's one of my favorite palettes in this daggum box. Also, I should turn that this way. We have this Christopher Robin Instant Voluminizing Leave-In Mist. A Gua Sha here from Aceology. But we love Gua Sha. My favorite palette from Huda Beauty. We are going to do a look, but I want to swatch them here on my cheek for you. Look at this. Now I can show you this makeup melting spray here from Vike. So I'm going to try to not get this on my brow or in my eye. I wasn't too aggressive. I don't know if you can see, but it's already melting it and the glitter's kind of pouring down my face. It's really cool. Let's lose. Oh, and it's gone. We have the Moonlit eyeshadow primer. Go ahead and apply this directly to our lid. Grab this shade with my finger, apply it to my lid. Ooh, that's the spice. Grab this shade, press that into my crease. Then I'm gonna grab a little bit of this and connect the blue to the transition shade. Let me finish the rest of my face and I'll show you the last thing in the box. A lip liner from one of my favorite brands, Oma Beauty. This is the lip liner in the shade Angelou. This is the finished look. If you're not already subscribed to BoxyCharm, what are you waiting for?